Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a little golden book project share, and I have been watching numerous tutorials on a little golden book. This isn't the first golden book I've ever done. I did a few of them already, but I've learned and advanced in a lot of ways. So I'm going to go through this golden book. So all I do is I have it just closed with a little ribbon. Not too chunky, I don't think. Okay, so open it. So my goal in this one was to keep the spine intact, the gold foil. And I have a video where I literally heat raised the spine. This little gold sheet, it's just the sticker, it comes right up, and I just re-put it on. Because I watch people struggle with the staples, and I wasn't going to ruin the paper by pushing the staples through it. Dawn suggested heat gun in it, and it, boom. So that was cool. So, and then I just glued it back on. I think it looks awesome. There's no tears, nothing. So, it's just a little secret of the life of pets. And I picked this just to be my test journal. See, to work with keeping the spine intact. And it turned out pretty good. So, here we go. So when you open it, this had writing in the inside cover. So I just covered it with this little paw print paper. And I just got paper in it. And I got different colors going down the side. Put some little images on sheets. His name is Max. I've never seen this movie, never heard of it. It's cute. And then I have a little pocket here. And I just made little cute tags. Got some little paper that says a personal note. Got this little envelope. Got some extra papers. And I put some of my mixed media paper in the pocket as well, because I think it's cool. There's a little corner tuck. Oh, that's the paper underneath the corner tuck. It's bones, like little biscuits. There we go. And then on each one of the pages, though, I put a little piece of paper going down the edge, just to give it a little flair. Right there. And then a little image, a little. Then we have a pocket I made that's in the book. I stitched the pocket right in the book. And then inside here, I added a couple little more images from the movie that I printed off. They are back like this, because I used some paper I had that had some little design on the back. And then I just made little cute little tags. And they just get tucked in there. And then a little corner tuck pocket. Cat treats this time. There is a cat in this book. And then this is a little extra piece I didn't use, so I tucked it in there. There's another little scrap piece I didn't use. A little, and then a little note. And then a little mixed media piece of mine. And that gets tucked right there. And then there's the center. You know, just a little bit. There you go. Now this is my pocket, but I thought it looked kind of cool, so I wasn't going to cover it. And there's the other pocket, same thing, just little tags I made, and I have some extra images in there from the movie. Just tucked in. I put this little flap so you know it's a pocket. I forgot to mention that on the other one. My bad. They just kind of tuck. Sweet pea. And there's Max and the bunny. Then we're into the middle of it for the second signature. And if you stuck along this far, 5 minutes and almost 6 minutes into this video, this is a hidden giveaway, guys. Yeah, you can win this. So what I need you to do is you need to be 18 years or older, live in the United States, and I need you to write me a comment with the word Max in it. You can say anything, but it has to have Max, M-A-X, Max, to be entered in a giveaway. I will be picking a winner next week, Saturday. So you have until basically, I'll say 10 o'clock next week, Saturday. I will be picking a winner Saturday after. I'll say after 10 o'clock Saturday night, I will pick a winner. But you have to put a sentence or a comment. I love Max. Hey, Max is such a cute dog. Blah, 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 blah. But you have to be 18 and live in the United States. And you can win this. So, here's another pocket. Just cute little tags. And I didn't decorate because I figured. That's why I kept these, added these little images. See the little pocket. I gave you these extra little images. Like, see, like this one's half off. That's all right. Because the reason I gave you the, because I would personally, I cut him out. He's on somewhere. Where did I put him? Let's go back. Let's see if I can find it. I cut him out. So I couldn't only find one image of that one. And so I had to fussy cut him. It's somewhere. It must be in the second side. This area. So, but the rest kind of look like this, most of them. They may have just a little white. But the reason I added these little images is so if you want to go add your own little flair to it, or add it, make more tags, or if you write something, or you want to do something, you have some images also. Oh, see, he's right there. See, I fussy cut it out. Again, just a pocket. Okay, one more tag, ATC card, personal little. I did add some little paper from on some of them. Little envelope. Some of my mixed media. Another pocket with some more images, more little tags. Another pocket with some more. I even did the book cover. It's a tag. And then a little ATC. Paper, some extra little sheets so you can use them. Some of my mixed media, double-sided. The mixed media, it kind of go, it doesn't really go, but I thought I'd throw it in there just to add its scent of. Plenty of space to write. Draw a little corners tuck with some more added paper, little. And then he gets a new dog friend. And that's the back. So, like I said, I hope you watch to the middle. I'm not going to go any details. So if you didn't and you skipped to the end, you lost out, guys. So go watch, start from the beginning and watch till the end. And I will talk to you on the next video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.